welcome to Better and Brighter Minds. Today, we are going to be reading a story called Push, Pull, Move It by Bob Taylor. Push, Pull, Move It by Bob Taylor. Look, I push this truck. It moves. Look, I pull this bag. It moves. Look, I push this wagon. It moves. Look, I pull this wagon. It moves too. Look, I push this sled. I pull this sled too. It moves. I can push it. I can pull it. I can move it. How do you make things go? So we can make things go by pushing and pulling. These are both ways to make things move. Thank you so much for reading this book with me today.